Here's how you can hard reset Huawei Y6 Prime. Turn off your device, then press and hold volume up and power button simultaneously for a few seconds. As soon as the screen turns on, keep holding volume up button and let go of the power button. Now press volume down and press power button to select wipe data. Press volume up, type yes in the search box, and press power button. Press volume down and then power button to wipe data. Now press volume up and then select using power button to restart your device. Drop a like and subscribe. If you can't get access to your Huawei Y6 Prime after factory reset, check the video below.